Hey guys, welcome you all in this particular video. My name is Surya sir and now today in this video we'll discuss about the need of MCA. MCA करना क्यों इतना जरूरी है guys? Because this is nothing but the world of computer, the modern technology where softwares are around of us. Various technologies are there, various apps are there. Guys, one simple thing, you have your phone in your hand. Now tell me how much softwares are there? How much apps are there? What are the technologies are there? Even the technologies are developing. So previously we used 2G, right? Thereafter comes 3G, now it's 4G, and again the recent time the 5G is launched. Okay, so might be we can see in future 6G, 7G, 8G, whatever guys. But the need of MCA is demanding. This particular thing creates lot of opportunities for the MCA graduates. So guys, watch this video till the end because we'll talk in detail about what are the career scopes, what are the career options, what are the job roles you will be playing, what will be the salary packages you will get in your pocket. So which are the top recruiters, which are the top companies with respect to the computer applications, computer program, computer science, and everything with respect to the technology. That's it guys. So this is the modern world, the world of computer guys. You should be aware about all those things, and the motto behind this particular video is nothing but MCA क्यों इतना जरूरी है. So watch till the end. Before moving further guys, we have launched the batches for the MCA entrance. If you want to pursue the MCA from the top institutes of the Maharashtra and even from the NITs, guys, you can prepare with us for Maharashtra MCA CET and also for the NIMSET, the NIT MCA common entrance test. So you can interact live with us. You will receive books at your doorstep. You will learn various shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, full length mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made where you can easily share all your doubts, and throughout this period you will solve around 10,000 plus questions. So a lot of data for the practice purpose, and you will also get the mentorship by our experts. So what are you waiting for? Want a preparation for the MCA? Book your seat right now. Call on 882-858-1455 or you can visit our website manual.com/MCA entrance. So let's move to the main topic. What is MCA? So it is nothing but the Master in Computer Application or professional degree in computer science. So what are the job roles in which sectors? In private sectors and in various public sectors. So guys, MCA के लिए बहुत scope है. You will get the elevated growth throughout your career. So what the stat says and what are the data? We are well aware about the pandemic and all the situations. So lots of ups and downs in each sector. Some of the sectors found tremendous growth. Some of the chemical industries, the sanitizer making company, even some of the companies opted for the IPO, and some of the companies found the huge loss. Year 2020, all about the pandemic situation. Now, all things were the online. All the students' admissions were online. Industry invested into work from home, right? And school started even the study from home. So what we saw, the number of internet users in India from 2015 to the upcoming year 2023 in millions. If we consider all the data, then we found the user base touched the 500 million, and the India is the highest smartphones user in world. So guys, now tell me what this particular data says. It says there is huge opportunities and there is huge demand for the computer science graduates, the IT graduates, the BCA graduates, even the MCA graduates. So guys, if you have these respective degrees, then guys, don't worry about the placement at all. Don't worry about the jobs, because why there is a need for the MCA. Look here, the dependency on the computer. Now every work, even we saw in the pandemic or even we learn in our life, all the dependency on the computer, because all works are dependent on the computers, the complete workflow through the computers, the data storage. The biggest problem on the earth, the data storage. Now without computer it can't be stored properly. Now modern world, the upcoming needs, as the world going to the modernization, the digitalization is everything. Upcoming needs will be there. Various softwares are there. Now power of digital world that increased and gain users through the apps and the websites. So overall there is a high demand for the IT sectors, because if we talk about the 2020, then there was a quite difficult situation to grow more. Now in that particular situation, lot of companies, as I said, found the huge loss, and lot of companies found the great demand in the world. And which are those companies? The software companies. So it was a boon for the software engineers, the software companies, and all those who are working in the IT sectors. And also guys, as in this particular modern world, okay, there is a need of the apps, softwares, and everything, the technologies. Okay, in each domain, in each sector, we need the computer first, right? So every company has analyzed the process of digital world, and hence they are focusing to gain the users through web, through apps rather than the TV and the hoardings. So the traditional way finding the less importance, and the modern way, because it is the computer world, finding great demand, right guys? So can't imagine the things without the technologies, right guys? So if you talk about salary packages, what are the job roles? So these are, you will find always great demand in the MCA. So guys, MCA करना बहुत जरूरी है, and even from the top institutes or even from the whichever institutes you wanna prefer, because the software engineer, if he is a senior, getting 21 lakh per annum ka package thereafter. If you are fresher, 10 to 12 lakh per annum ka package. Now great demand in the web designing and the developer, 8 to 10 lakh per annum. If you talk about the software consultant, senior post receiving 11.5 LPA and the freshers receiving 7.5 LPA. If you talk about the system analyst, great demand guys, 6 to 10 lakh per annum. Hardware engineer, 10 to 15 lakh per annum, and the technical writer, 4 to 6 lakh per annum. And this is just the starting range guys. Once you will get the knowledge, once you will get the experience, these figures will be changed drastically. So you will find more than these all figures. And what will be the job roles? It might be you will be playing the role as app developer, troubleshooter, social media handler, software programmer, software developer, business analyst, database engineer, cloud architect, data scientist, ethical hacker. Needed guys, IT architect, network engineer, computer teacher, web developer. So guys, great demand is there. Because top recruiters are looking for you if you are MCA graduates, such as the Reliance, Ashok Leland, Meru, Byju's, Pale, TCS, Scale, IBM, NTPC, Secure, Wipro, India, Decathlon, Samsung, Nestle, Mahindra, Microsoft, KPMG, SKF, Oracle, Accenture, and lot more companies are there guys. The list is too big guys. I can't fill all those names in one particular slide. I will require more than 10 slides to fill all those recruiters, because top recruiters will give you the top packages, best packages. So you will find the best ROI when you will compare the fee structure of your institute with respect to packages which you are getting. So guys, what you are thinking about? If you want to pursue the MCA from the top institutes, then guys, prepare with us. Call on 882-858-1455, or you can also call all these respective numbers. All exam updates and the notifications, follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So all link I mentioned in the description. Kindly check those links. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because guys, you will get a lot of updates with respect to the all MCA entrance, Maharashtra MCA CET and the NIMSET. So that's it from today's video guys. All the best for your preparation. See you in the next video.